these were the things that were absolutely going to protect against global supply chain issues, as well as grow new high paying dollar jobs. Okay. And so thinking about the fact that there's a chip in everything, but we don't really make chips here in the United States. The vast majority of them actually come out of Taiwan. Taiwan is really the big global supplier, and then you've got China. So when you started to have cars that were more expensive, every car got a chip. When you had phones, laptops, whatever it was that were more expensive, it was because there was the demand that was there, but the supply wasn't there because the supply chains had somewhat shut down. So we wanted to say, you know what, maybe we should have some of this at home. And so there are states such as Ohio, which voted for Donald Trump, that ended up benefiting from the Chips and Science Act because there were now companies that were coming in to provide new high-paying jobs and make sure that we could get chips right here in the United States. We did the same thing in Texas. They ended up with a multi-billion-dollar investment. And so, I think that people are getting a civics lesson as well as an economics lesson. And I don't want anybody to believe that I believe that their frustration was not warranted, because people are struggling and were struggling and still are struggling.